1, 2, 3, go. No, swim. Oh, we got some bad habits going here.
I know, that just happened.
Hey, Carly, do you want to swim with me?
Oh yeah, kick those legs. Kick those legs.
She doesn't want to go, not want to go under.
Well, maybe it's a little cold still. Is it cold? Is it cold?
No, not now. We got used to it, didn't we, Carly?
That's good. That'll get her back in a swim position with the... She used to be petrified of that thing. She loves Tyson. Yay! She's just gonna go for it. See? There she goes. Ooh, good job.
Carly.
She's a little fish.
Yes. You could swim.
Is that